Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy almond rice pilaf. What you need will be a cup of rice, 2 cups of chicken broth, some salt, parsley, 3 stalks of celery finely chopped, 1 medium onion chopped, 1/4 cup of sliced almonds. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first I'm going to start off by sautéing the celery and then the onions. Add some olive oil to my hot pan. Add the onions. You want it to cook a couple of minutes, maybe 5 minutes, just until soft. I'm going to go ahead and toast the almonds, a little more olive oil. Okay, I got my almonds already toasted. I'm going to go ahead and remove it from the pan. Okay, I got my rice nice and brown. Now it's ready to add the chicken broth. I'm going to add 2 cups of chicken broth. Sprinkle some salt, enough to your likings. I'm going to mix it up, and then I'm going to go ahead and cover this. I'm going to cook in a low simmer for about 20 minutes. Then once it's nice and fluffy, I'm going to go ahead and add the almonds, the onions, the parsley, and the celery. Okay, this has been cooking for about 20 minutes. I'm going to check on the rice. Okay, it looks like the liquid already evaporated. I'm going to go ahead and add the almonds, celery, and the onions. Go ahead and mix it up. I'm going to add some parsley, maybe like a tablespoon. Just go ahead and sprinkle that on. I'm going to mix it in. Okay, and it's ready. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Have a good day.